on a bike. It's this orange one. It was 150 baht for a day, which is quite cheap for Thailand. Then we're exploring a temple today. I don't remember the name. I will link it down below and put in the description box. I don't remember the temple name, but this should be fine. So nice around here. It's such a positive vibe, like so many shops, and it looks like this. It's actually really nice. And I think the temple is just over there. And I also found this little friend here who is sleeping. Just entering the temple. I think it's this way. As you can see, the name is in Chinese, so I have no idea how to say it. I think somebody wants some attention. Oh, you're so cute! So just discovered the temple goes all the way at the top. So it's gonna be a long walk. So many stairs. Oh my days. We're almost there, but still walking. Almost there. Almost there. So we just got our tickets and it was 30 baht for each, which I guess is not very expensive. And here we are. I love these umbrellas. It goes from big to very small. It's so cool. And these people are walking around the temple and I think they're praying. Each one of them has a flower and a piece of paper. I guess is with a prayer. Some more Buddhas around this temple, different colors, different shapes, different sizes. So you have a green Buddha. This one is like in the middle painted, it's weird. But the ones that really scare me are like the ones that really look like a real human. And this one looks like a real human. This one is beautiful. So much detail. Somebody just stuck money with the wax. Jelly Buddha. It's like see-through. I think this is quite interesting. You can actually make a donation, but you can pick for what you want to put a donation for. So some of them are like for buildings. Most of them are for buildings, like specific ones. Some are for Buddhist monks. Some are for students, I just saw. This dog is so cute. I want to take him home. Oh. We just found this amazing view. Check this out. Of course, the camera doesn't show everything, but it's amazing and it's massive. And I think in the middle of there, it's airport. Look at this amazing butterfly. Where are you going now? So we just finished with this temple. All my days I'm wearing a jacket. I'm so hot. But I'm wearing a jacket to protect myself in case I fall from the motorbike. Now we're gonna leave this place and we're gonna go find some waterfalls. So we just arrived to the secret waterfall. And I think it looks quite nice, this area. It's like very old. I don't even know the word.
Every day in the summer, skateboarding with your friends.
This place is actually so amazing. It's got so many interesting cool things and it's so calm. No people. Well, okay, a little bit of people, but hardly no people, and it's just really good for relaxation. So we have this little bridge here, and from the bridge you can see everything. And this is just amazing. It looks so good. So this place actually looks amazing. It looks like it has been like abandoned waterfalls, and there's like no people here. So it's just so nice to walk around.
Hear me, I'm here with
slippery, so just be careful, by the way. We have a free jungle experience. We just found these orange things everywhere. Maybe this is like a sign of monk, but it looks so cool actually. So many of them. Look what we just found. It's like this worm, and bugs are eating it alive. No, it's not alive, but somebody chopped it in half. So this is it for today. I feel like I'm bitten all over my face and everywhere. We forgot our mosquito sprays, so we basically got bitten everywhere. We are so hot because we try to protect ourselves with jackets, which obviously it's too hot for jackets. Now we're gonna drive back, and this will be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and this location will be on my blog, more information about it. So if you want to know, see or read about it, because it's amazing, then check it out, and I'll link it down below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Subscribe!